Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about another couple of bands that I got for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Yes, I am going band crazy for this watch because I really enjoy actually wearing this watch. And so, of course, you like to keep it fresh, keep it funky with the feng shui on your wrist for the Watch Ultra. And so these bands will be listed down in the description box below if you guys are interested. Of course, if you guys are been on the channel, I already have a few videos up for watch bands. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you can stick with it, catch all the content being covered for the Galaxy Watch Ultra and S24 Plus, and some more devices coming down the pipeline. Without further ado, let's get into these watch bands right here. And so upon opening these here, if we go ahead and open this, get our little fingers inside here, it would help to have nails, right? So this is going to be kind of similar to Samsung's Peakform band right here. This is going to be very interesting to try to fix and adjust to the wrist. So that one I'm going to be excited to be trying on. And then I have basically a black version of the Marine band that looks almost exactly the same as the Marine band, matter of fact, but the black does make it look smaller on the wrist. So this is going to be exciting. Why not actually do this one first, save the best for last. Let's go ahead and actually grab this out here, and there we go. So of course, since I wear this on my right wrist, let's go ahead and take the Apple Watch Ultra off for this. We're gonna attach this piece at the top here, and I already could tell I'm gonna like this band too once I can get it in place here. I'm just having weird issues with these connectors. There we go. Could also be due to being on camera, so it could be a little difficult sometimes. Boom. All right, so as you see with this black marine style band, silicone, very comfortable. Go ahead and put it on the wrist. Now I don't like the fact that it looks like it's long. It's got an extended kind of bottom piece here, but I'm liking putting it on the wrist though. And just like that, it's on the wrist. Looks very clean, very pristine. Ooh, I like that. So definitely a nice band to wear, especially for working out, doing rigorous activities. You don't want to necessarily get your nice leather bands or wear a metal band, right? You want something that can withstand sweat and some activity, and this band works perfectly and it looks good. It blends right in, staring down the barrel as we like to do. You guys can see it's not poking out crazy, it's not pronged, looks very good on the wrist. Let's head on over to this Peakform style band. Alright, now this Peakform style band is going to be interesting to try to figure out how I actually want to put this on, because I do have to adjust this piece right here. And so once I get it on the wrist, what you're going to want to do is, it's one of these sides, as you see right here, it says pull, right? So you're going to pull this piece out like that, and you're going to flip it upwards like that. That's how you actually take this piece and adjust it. So you would literally go ahead and just take it on out. So I think I have it fully all the way, and you're just going to slide this piece out here. I think I have to actually pull this all the way up like that. There you go. So you see that right there. You're going to take this, slide it on out, and now you get to put this wherever you want to in here to adjust to your wrist. And once it slides back in, you take the prongs, pull it back out so that way it lines perfectly back on it, and you're good to go. And now you can adjust it to your wrist. And so based off this right here, we're going to see if we can get it right by putting it up on this side first. Let's see what happens. And there's a slight gap, nothing crazy, slight gap just like that. And then you're going to take this side, do the same thing. Take this side right here, stick it in to the connector like this. Boom, just like that. And now you have this piece here. And so all you have to do is now adjust according to your wrist, slide it on, and I think I'm gonna like this wristband a lot here. Once you have it on, you're going to take this, slide it all the way on like so, and it looks like it will be comfortable to adjust while on wrist still as well. You're gonna take this piece and actually, so you see where I need to actually replace this. So let's see if it's on the inside. I should be able to, maybe either side can be pulled, but let's see. I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna go ahead and slide this bad boy out here. So now that I have it adjusted, you're gonna pull this, and as you guys can see, this is a hook piece here, and you're just gonna pull it until the hook's right on and latches just like so, and there you go. You have it just like that. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is it just feels kind of wide as you stare down the barrel. It's not as bad down the barrel, but you just have that gap right there, and then of course, right, okay, now I hooked on better, so it actually shrunk there. So okay, it looks a lot better now, so I'm not mad at it. What I like about it is this color really blends in well with the actual body of the titanium gray. And so I would definitely love to compare this with Samsung's actual Peakform band, because this is similar, not quite the same, but it is very similar. But you get a nice snug fit with this watch band on, and it feels very, very good on the wrist. But I'll tell you what though, I definitely like the black version of the Marine bands, because these also feel smaller than the orange bands, and also blends in very well with the darker tones of my titanium gray Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let me know down in the comment section below if you guys are gonna be picking up these bands. You like silicone bands, you like these new Peakform style bands. Let me know what kind of bands you're using down in the comment section below. And again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to like the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell. It's all free. That way, some videos you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking, and don't forget to hit that super thank button down there, button, like it, dislike button, Cash App or PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. It's your man Micah signing out. Until the next video, wait for.